TrueWealth Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Make sure you watch before using. TrueWealth is a Swift-based robo-advisor offering a low-cost, globally diverse ETFs portfolios. It's tailored for residents of Switzerland or Swiss expats and places a premium on transparency, regulatory stability, and data security. The service is fully digital and provides a no-nonsense approach to investing. Swiss users value the platform alignment with local tax law and investors protection. Signing up is quickly, and the dashboard makes it easy to track portfolio's value and rebalancing. Customer service is responsive, and the fee is fixed to 0.5%, including ETF's cost, which is lower than many banks in Switzerland. Some users do switch away from more aggressive strategies, but TrueWealth is praised for reliability and peace of mind.